Well, today you could hear it as you walked around.
The melting.
The gutters were dripping. Some of the older ones were banging and clanging around. It was a happy sound. They were ready to throw all that water out in the street. But tomorrow, it's going to be a much warmer day.
I'm just happy it's not as icy and I'm not going to like fall every 5 seconds.
That's going to be with us for a while.
Yeah, so temperatures tomorrow in the lower 60s. That's going to be the warmest we've been since, I believe, early January. That's when we reached close to 70 a couple of days there. But as we carry on throughout this week, we are expecting high temperatures each and every day in at least the 40s. Tomorrow, definitely the warmest. We do have some rain chances returning to the forecast. That's something that's new because we've been tracking so many wintry precipitation chances. We're talking rain chances tomorrow. They'll be spotty and light for most of us late in the day and into the overnight hours, pushing down to the south. Better rain chances roll in for Valentine's weekend, and we'll be timing that out for you in just a moment. Next, even warmer weather, as I mentioned, all the way Tuesday. High temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. That's as long as fog does lift in time. We could have some dense fog form late tonight, more so Tuesday morning, and depending on when that lifts, that could impact just how warm we get. But we're going to have a southwesterly to westerly wind really rolling in here out ahead of a front, and that's when we can get some warm temperatures. So expect highs in the lower 60s. That certainly accelerates our melting process. Highs through the rest of the week staying in the 40s, but I will say beyond this point, we'll have afternoon highs in the 40s and then overnight lows below freezing. So that's when we could have a little bit of that melting and refreeze, depending on what our snowpack looks like by that point. 47 is our current temperature right now in Louisville, 63 down in Bowling Green, and 71 in Nashville. So very warm air just to our south. Snowpack keeping us from warming as much as we could, and much can be said really across the region here. It's 42 in Cincinnati. Of course, they've gotten more snow than us. 40 in Indianapolis. They've had a record stretch of high snowpack up there. Max HG radar dry today, just tracking some high clouds that are filtering in from the north ahead of sunset this evening. And your hour-by-hour futurecast looking pretty quiet. With mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, temperatures will drop pretty quickly down into the 30s and then level off. Once we head into tomorrow morning, we could have some patchy dense fog develop. Otherwise, a mostly cloudy day. Take a look at these highs tomorrow afternoon, 50s and 60s. As a front approaches, we'll have some light rain potentially tomorrow evening in Louisville, pushing down to the south and southeast. Not looking to add up to much for most of us. The better rain chance arrives this weekend. Could be rolling in by Saturday evening, depending on where this area of low pressure tracks through here. And we could pick up anywhere between 1 to 2 or even 2.5 inches of rainfall between Saturday evening and Sunday night. So it could be a soggy weekend. Plan accordingly. But yes, we're tracking rain rather than snow. So your 7-day forecast here tomorrow, definitely the warmest day, starting off with fog, ending with light rain. 40s for the rest of the work week, and then that rainy weekend Saturday night into Sunday with highs in the 40s and the 50s.